Are you ready to elevate your chic? Let's go. Okay, this is our first outfit. Floral blouse, jeans and sandals. You know, it is okay. It is a lovely outfit. But how can we elevate it? We could add sunglasses. And of course, we all wear sunglasses in a spring, summer. And that instantly gives it an elevated look. I could also add a belt on the jeans. Let's see right now. I don't think that changes the outfit much. However, I thought of something else. Ta-da! Upgrading your outfit could be as simple as changing your blue jeans into white jeans. There's something about white that instantly elevates your outfit. It upgrades them, and that's so simple to do and absolutely perfect for spring and summer. So let's try it. So here it is. And you can see immediately that you're going from a really casual look into an elevated, upgraded look. You could go out with this, you could go to a restaurant, you could go to events, elevated barbecues, and you will look absolutely amazing. So next time you want to wear your blue jeans with any top, you know, floral blouse here, it could be anything else. Switch it to white jeans and see the effect. Now our next outfit. So you can see this one is already dressy, it is smart, the top is knitted, feminine, the sleeves are to die for. We have beautiful, beautiful shoes. The skirt is a denim skirt, it has a slit here, so it's feminine. A denim skirt is casual already. It gives you a spring to your step. But how could we elevate this look? If you wanted to go out for an evening, for instance, I don't think you would want to wear a denim skirt. So please put your comments below this video and tell me how you would elevate this look. We could wear our sunglasses. Instantly, it really elevates the whole look. Oui? The denim skirt is still a denim skirt. So my take on this, how to elevate this look, is to change the skirt. So instantly with that satin skirt, it elevated that outfit into a much higher level. It is bringing it to the special occasion level. You could go to a wedding, you could go to a christening, you could go to other special dressy occasion. The shoes stay the same, the top stays the same, but just the skirt. The skirt is in satin, it could be a silk skirt as well, but you can see how suddenly the outfit has changed. You just need to change or switch one thing. And as you know, I like things to stay simple. So let's have a look now without shades. So you could go to a wedding like this. What about a handbag? Silver, very on trend, and that can go to the evening as well. Et voila, you skyrocketed that outfit. For our next outfit is a totally white outfit. So white t-shirt, white linen, white leg pants, it's all the rage, and white sneakers. So it is a look you can wear during daytime, very relaxed, but yet it's elevated because it's white. However, I think in this case it needs something. So I'm not quite sure yet. Please let me know how you would elevate this outfit. We could change the shoes, we could change the top, but I want to keep those three pieces. I want to think of something else. So let's have a look how we could elevate it. I am thinking of a shirt, but a long shirt. In this case, it's a chambray shirt. So you put it over like this. It's got those long cuffs. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can roll the cuffs, just the cuffs, or the sleeves as you wish. But I think, looking in the mirror, instantly, look. I think that's elevated the white look instantly just by adding a long shirt. And this one is cotton, but of course you could try something in linen. That would be also really beautiful. So now with my shades, you know, that is really nice. Something else you could do if you wanted to, this one is long enough, you could also knot the front like this. And it changes the look somewhat. How could we elevate this even more? A hat instantly elevates an outfit. Finish off with your sunglasses. And voila. How easy was that? For our next outfit, I chose something casual jeans and navy blue Converse, but somewhat elevated with a striped silk shirt. So it's something you could wear in daytime. It is fun with the Converse, it's relaxed. You could go to a museum visit or meet your friends, go shopping, go on a holiday for the weekend, anything like this. But what if you wanted to have an outfit a little bit elevated? Again, straight away with the sunglasses, elevates it, yes, cool. But I'm seeing the shoes, I'm seeing the Converse, I'm seeing the trainers, and we wear a lot of trainers, a lot of sneakers. I'm thinking two-tone ballet flats. So here you are, look at the outfit now. It's still casual, still comfortable, you can still walk around, run for the bus, but it's elevated because you're no longer wearing sneakers. Let's try a little here. So let's have a look now what I did. So it is a two-tone look again, the Chanel style, but in slingbacks. And I think that not only does it add a little bit of a grey to the outfit, it elevates it with a heel, it adds the feminine touch that was missing with the Converse. If you successfully elevated your outfit, please send me a selfie on info@mariannelecoeur.com for the Share Your Chic section in our YouTube community. I will send you a $20 off coupon code and you may appear in my future video. For the next outfit, this is already an elevated outfit. Let's have a look. So, printed silky trousers, an off-the-shoulder top. I've already put a belt on. I've got my leather clutch. So, what does it need to go out? Let us know in the comments below. And what I think it needed is a tuxedo jacket. Let's have a look now. So I think this is perfect for this look that finishes it off, that's elevated, you are ready to go out and wow everyone. So elevating an outfit is as simple as adding an accessory, changing a piece of the outfit, and above all, having fun with your style. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this one.